Next one, creating a new file. A file is always creating using an application. So now click on Start button, open Microsoft Office Word, just type your name and standard, my school name, and click on Save button. This is the Save button. Click on Save button. Type the file name and then click on Save button. So you can see the file name on title bar also. Now close this file. Again click on Start button, Computer. In this side click on Documents, because of by default all the files are saved in Documents. This is the standard 6. Right click on this file, cut, and in your folder standard 6, open this, right click here and paste. So like this you can save your files in this folder. If you write all our classwork in one book, will you be able to find all that you are looking for? It will not be easy find information. So that is why we use separate notebooks for every subject. Similarly, we can organize our work on computer by making separate folders or files for everything. And we can organize our files and folders with the help of Windows Explorer. This is Windows Explorer. We can create folders and files as well as move, copy, delete or rename our files and folders using Windows Explorer. Next one is opening Windows Explorer. So this is the button is Windows Explorer. Click on the folder icon next to the Start button, that it will open the Windows Explorer. This button is Windows Explorer. Now you can view the library of the computer that have by default 4 folders: Documents, Music, Pictures and Videos. Now click on the computer option on the left side. This is the left side. Click on Computer. Now you will see all the drive, C drive, D drive, E drive in computer. Now create a folder using Windows Explorer. Double click on the drive. We click on D drive. Now here, for creating a folder, just right click anywhere. Same steps. Go to the new and folder and type the name of the folder and press enter key. Create a file using Windows Explorer. Same steps follows. Open Word and save that file in this folder. Next one is move a file or folder. Now you can move a file or folder to another place by dragging and dropping it to the desired location. We can do this by the cut and paste method. Like this, just right click, go to the cut Next, go to the E drive and paste. So like this you can move the folder. Next is copy a file or folder. Open this folder. This is the file. So just right click on this file, click on copy and go to the desktop, click on paste. So this file is copied on the desktop. Next one is rename a file or folder. Same steps, just click on this file, go to the rename and you can change the name of the file. Next one, delete a file or folder. Just right click on this file, go to the delete and click on yes. Next, restore deleted files. Now I want this deleted file once again. So just go to the recycle bin, search your file, you can search from here standard. Yes, this is right click and restore. You can see this file on the desktop. So students, in this lesson we have learned files and folders, icons, how to create new folders and files, copy and paste, delete and restore. So students, once again read the lesson and complete the exercise and submit before 1 o'clock. Thank you.